The Dubai International Boat Show is so much more than a place to buy boats. It's a fun-packed family day out. Spend the day on the beach with family and friends. There's food stalls, a kids' play area, and luxurious surroundings to relax and watch the bands and entertainment. There's hands-on boating and sailing experiences while you take in the vast array of boats, yachts, and water sport toys on display outside. And don't forget to get a selfie with the supercars. Why not try out some of our taster sessions, from kayaking to paddleboarding, yoga or Pilates, then sit back and be amazed by our daring water sports stunts. Head over to the retail village and catch up on some entertainment on the way. There's fun for all the family at the Dubai International Boat Show.
The boat show is the best.